everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Oreo ice cream sandwiches. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need Oreos, heavy whipping cream, butter, condensed milk, and vanilla. Begin by placing a family pack of Oreos in a Ziploc bag and crushing them. You can also use a food processor. In a bowl, add 2 cups of crushed Oreos and 6 tablespoons of melted butter and mix. In a 9x9 pan lined with parchment paper, add the mixture and tightly pat it into the bottom of the pan. Place the pan in the freezer while working on the ice cream. In a bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and mix until fluffy. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Add 1 can of condensed milk and mix. Add 1 cup of crushed Oreos. Pour the ice cream mixture over the slightly frozen crust. Place in the freezer for 2 hours. For the top crust, repeat the steps taken for the bottom crust. Freeze for at least 6 hours. Remove from the freezer and cut. For a slightly easier cut, dip your knife into hot water before cutting. And there you have it, Oreo ice cream sandwiches. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and muffins be cooking.